The 2027 Toyota Tundra isn't an all-new generation, but it receives one of the most meaningful updates since the current model debut. Toyota has focused on what owners actually wanted: a tougher appearance, smarter technology, greater off-road capability, and even more practicality for work and adventure. Here's everything that's new. A more rugged and modern exterior. Toyota has completely redesigned the front fascia, giving the Tundra a stronger and more purposeful appearance. The new front end features a taller, more upright design with sharper body lines, creating a truck that looks wider, tougher, and more confident on the road. Highlights include completely redesigned front bumper, new hexagonal grille designs depending on trim, more squared-off front styling inspired by heavy-duty trucks, new rectangular integrated LED fog lights, updated center bumper treatment for a stronger stance, brighter grille-mounted LED light bar, available rigid LED fog lights, available factory front recovery hooks. Toyota says the new design was developed by Quality Design Research in Michigan with a focus on strength, authenticity, and capability, while still giving the truck a more premium appearance. New Trailhunter package arrives. Perhaps the biggest news for 2027 is the arrival of the first ever Trailhunter package for the Tundra. Unlike the premium TRD Pro, the new Trailhunter package starts from the SR5 trim, making factory-built Overlanding much more affordable. Toyota equips it with serious hardware straight from the factory. It includes Old Man Emu off-road suspension, Michelin LTX Trail 265/70 R18 all-terrain tires, bronze Trailhunter wheels, exclusive Trailhunter badges, additional skid plates, front recovery hooks, locking rear differential, multi-terrain select, crawl control. Instead of adding aftermarket upgrades later, buyers can now purchase a Tundra that's already prepared for overlanding adventures. Brand new Toyota Multimedia system. Inside, Toyota gives the Tundra its newest generation infotainment system. One of the biggest improvements is that every 2027 Tundra now comes standard with a massive 14-inch touchscreen. The software has also been completely updated. New features include faster interface, smartphone-style home screen, customizable widgets, improved Hey Toyota voice assistant, built-in AT&T 5G connectivity, faster cloud-based responses. The entire experience feels much more modern and responsive than before. Standard built-in dash camera. Another major addition is a factory-installed drive recorder. Using the truck's exterior cameras, the system can automatically save video during accidents or manually record events. It captures approximately 20-second clips, adding an extra level of convenience and security without requiring an aftermarket dash cam. Improved digital key. Toyota has also expanded digital key functionality. Owners can now lock and unlock the truck, start the engine, operate the vehicle, use Apple Wallet, Google Wallet, Samsung Wallet. Even better, owners can securely share digital key access with up to 5 additional drivers. Toyota also says NFC technology allows the key to continue working for a limited time even if the phone battery has completely died. More power for work and camping. Hybrid iForce Max models now continue to offer a 2.4 kW onboard inverter, providing household-style electricity wherever the truck goes. Owners can power power tools, camping equipment, outdoor lighting, refrigerators, electronics. This makes the Tundra an even better companion for job sites and off-grid adventures. Updated Toyota Safety Sense 4.0. The 2027 Tundra now receives Toyota Safety Sense 4.0. The latest generation improves sensors and object recognition while keeping a full suite of driver assistance technologies, including pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, full-speed dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, automatic high beams, proactive driving assist. The system offers improved detection performance and smoother operation compared with the previous version. Powertrains remain proven. Toyota isn't changing what already works. The 2027 Tundra continues offering iForce Twin-Turbo V6, designed for strong towing capability and everyday performance. iForce Max Hybrid, for buyers wanting significantly more torque, stronger acceleration, and better overall capability. Toyota hasn't announced any mechanical power increases, suggesting both powertrains carry over unchanged. Trim lineup. The 2027 Toyota Tundra will continue to be available in SR, SR5, Limited, Platinum, 1794 Edition, TRD Pro, Capstone, plus the new Trailhunter package, which expands Toyota's factory off-road lineup.